Follow the suggestion in this video to get the best out of my coffees.
Let's brew coffee from Colombia together. This is El Rubi from the Huila region. The variety is pink bourbon and the fermentation is a classic washed. For more details on this coffee, please visit our webshop.
To extract the beautiful flavors of El Rubi out of your brew, please follow this recipe. You need 300 grams of third wave water. Set the kettle to 94 degrees Celsius and weigh 19 grams of coffee and grind it on click 20 of your Comandante for a balanced cup. To avoid any unwanted flavors, rinse the paper with hot brewing water. This also warms up your equipment. Now add the ground coffee and shake for an even extraction. Get ready for the 3 pours. Pour 1. 50 grams in 7 seconds, blooming. Release the trapped CO2 from the roast process. Second pour starting at 20 seconds. 100 grams over 15 seconds in soft circular pouring, starting to release the flavors of green apples, honey, orange and sweet tomatoes. The third pour starts after 1 minute. (150 grams over 15 seconds in active circular pouring, supporting the body of this coffee. Swirl at 1 minute and 25 seconds for an even extraction. The total brew time of El Rubi from Colombia is 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Enjoy!